processes and the steps. This is a summary of the functions of the female reproductive organs. Hormonal control of the female reproductive system is controlled by hormones coming from the hypothalamus, anterior pituitary, and the ovaries. Okay. What do these hormones control? They help to control the development and maintenance of the secondary female sexual characteristics, to mature the female sex cells, and to control changes that happen during the menstrual cycle. These hormones include the GnRH, which is produced by the hypothalamus. In response, the GnRH acts on the anterior pituitary, which tells the anterior pituitary to secrete FSH and LH. Okay? Both FSH and LH actually control oocyte maturation and female sex hormone production. Which sex hormones are we talking about? Specifically estrogen and progesterone, which are secreted actually mostly by the ovaries. Some of them are also secreted by the adrenal cortex, and even these are secreted, estrogen and progesterone are secreted during pregnancy to maintain pregnancy. Functions of these hormones: estrogen will stimulate enlargement of the accessory reproductive organs and stimulates thickening of the endometrium, so that way it gets it ready for implantation. It also helps to develop the female secondary sexual characteristics like the breast development and increased vascularization of the skin. Progesterone, its function is to stimulate histological uterine changes during the menstrual cycle and regulates secretion of the gonadotropins. Okay? So here we see hypothalamus secreting GnRH acting on the anterior, that in response will secrete FSH and LH. FSH will stimulate maturation of the primordial follicles and meiosis in primary oocytes, so that way they become secondary. LH participate in the release of the secondary oocyte. An LH surge is needed in order for ovulation to happen. This is a question always asked, always. So what's going to inhibit all this? A negative feedback inhibition from the estrogen. Estrogen will inhibit GnRH and